Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to spy on Shopify store and their sales. So if you want to spy on your competitors, there's actually an app that allows you to do that. So basically you will need Google Chrome. If you're in Google Chrome and if you have a Shopify store, you can basically go and install this right here. This is Koala Inspector. This is Shopify spying and dropshipping tool. Now, as you can see, you can basically spy for new products. You can also have product statistics on a particular store that you're spying on. You can find retailers through their store, right? The retailers and the competition and what competition is using when it comes to retailers. You can find, structure of the store, what they're using within the apps and stuff like that. And then, you have also support from Koala Inspector team as well. So as you can see, you can do a lot of different things here. For example, I want to conduct a Shopify analysis. How does a Shopify spy tool help? Dropshipping store owners know that data is important. So as you can see, this allows them to scrape Shopify data. However, all these tools must be downloaded separately for a complete experience. So you can see what you can do is you can basically track each data set for each of the Shopify store that you want to spy. So as you can see, this is how it looks like, right? When you have Koala Inspector turned on, you can track this shop, and then you can see all the structure of the shop, the link of the shop, Shopify team they're using, basically Shopify applications that they're using. You can track also their new products, product statistics. You can track, as you can see, the products, how much they cost on AliExpress and other websites. You can export this in CSV as well. Incredible, right? Then you can do favorite products. You can favorite their products as well. You can find retailers for their products. Amazing. Again, you can see the shop traffic from their monthly visits, pretty much everything. Obviously, this comes at a free plan and then a paid plan as well. But overall, you can see a lot of different things. Ad campaigns, if they're running any ads. So this is all in one Shopify spying tool. So if you want to check it out, definitely go to Chrome Web Store, type in Koala Inspector, and yeah, there you will be able to find Shopify spy and dropshipping tool. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.